I see that you're hurting, I see that you're down. I see how every dream returned, came back to call you out. Was ready to rumble, was ready to fight. Got lost in the thunder, without alibis. Shout at the night, rage at the lies. Don't let the fear control what's deep within. Oh, oh, oh. Until the sky has fallen, I'll be around. I'll be there night and day. I'll be there both night and day. Until the stars have fallen onto the ground, I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Now the pages are turning under the clouds. Got used to the hiding, now you're feeding the doubt. Let me show you.
Morning guys, happy Saturday. Welcome to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Mogomotsi Mdluli. Welcome to my channel. I hope you stay, I hope you subscribe, I hope you share my video with family and friends. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for clicking on my video when it comes up on your timeline. I really appreciate it. So today is a Saturday. I'm off from work, so I'm just at home. I don't want to do much today, but there's stuff that I need to do for the household. So yeah, welcome to my channel. Yeah, I'm opening up the vlog. It's a new vlog. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And just know, by you liking my video, it will be passed on to other people on your timeline, which will reach more and more people, and will get the views that we want. Yeah, so please don't forget to like. Put on some hearts there still. They really motivate me. Hearts, roses, flowers, anything. I would really appreciate that. So yeah, let's get this vlog started.
I've been missing the way you touch me, baby. Kisses on my neck and the love you gave me. When I think about it, I go a little bit crazy. It's gotta be more than this for you and I to coexist. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. I've been scrolling through the text messages you sent me, trying to fill the holes where you left me empty. And when I think about it, get a little emotional, knowing that we might never ever be close to loving. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer. Sober up, think it's time for me to sober up. Cause I don't know what I should do with all these feelings. Don't wanna be needy, too in love. Maybe I am just too in love. Baby, all I know is I can't make you stay. But don't just walk away. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer, closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer, closer.
Guys, I'm back. Can I just lower the volume? Like utla playlist asihle guys. Isi volume kancane. Shall I put it up? Yeah. My hands to you.
Who sounds better?
Playlist kasihle le. Okay, let me lower. I just wanna speak. Okay, guys, it's 20 to 6 now. The kids, as usual, abekho abantwana badla McDonald's njengabam.
Anybody?
Shem, they're addicted.
It's not 20 to 6.
It's 20 to 6, 17:39.
It's 17:33. June.
Okay, it's half past. It's 25 to 6. So we're heading to McDonald's quickly to grab something and then coming back home. So I just wanted to let you guys know. I did quite a lot. Cleaning, the laundry. Bengu mama wekhaya o serious namhlanje. So yeah, I did. So yeah.
I see that you're hurting. I see that you're down. I see how every dream returned, came back to call you out. Was ready to rumble, was ready to fight. Got lost in the thunder, without alibis. Shout at the night, rage at the lies. Don't let the fear control what's deep within. Oh, oh, oh. Until the sky has fallen, I'll be around. I'll be there night and day. I'll be there both night and day. Until the stars have fallen onto the ground, I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Now the pages are turning.
Hi guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. As you can see,
I'm
ngikhathele.
thirsty.
Yeah, so it's a Sunday. We're after church waiting for the lights to come back so that I can
What
prepare.
lights?
There's load shedding currently, so that I can prepare something to eat. So yeah, I might take you through that because basically there is nothing for this vlog. So yeah, I'll be cooking with you, then we'll catch up later.
Night and day, be there both night and day. Until the stars have fallen onto the ground, I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Oh, 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 night and day. Oh, 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 night and day. I'll be with you. Until the sky is falling, I'll be around. I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Until the stars have fallen onto the ground, I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Oh, oh, oh,
When will tomorrow come? Why do I still miss you? Why can't I move on? Thought I left you smiling. My past is holding on. Oh, yeah. They said keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. When will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow the same. They say keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. And when will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come? When will tomorrow? No. When will it come? Will it stop hurting so much? So much? No. When will it come?
Hi guys, I'm back. It's the end of Sunday. It's the end of this vlog. I'm just closing the vlog officially. Thank you so much for watching till this far, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It's been a messy vlog, so yeah, but thank you so much if you've been watching till this far. Please continue with the support. I really appreciate it. Please share the video with your friends, family, social media platforms. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to comment, even if it's just a heart, a flower, a rose. I would highly appreciate that. Yeah, thank you so much for watching till this far. I don't know why I'm tired. Also, am I the only one that's tired, or there's other people as well lately? You know, I'm just feeling exhausted. So yeah, yeah, have a good week.